Very good morning to all my dear class 7 students. Today we are going to revise chapter number 12 from your English reader, that is Abraham Lincoln's letter to his son's headmaster. This is the 12th chapter from your English reader, and today we will be discussing the A and B part of this chapter. So let us first start with A part, that is answer the questions orally. Here we go with question number 1. Abraham Lincoln wrote, "Teach him, for every enemy there is a friend." What were the other two things that he suggested the headmaster to teach his son? Answer to question number 1 is, two other things Lincoln suggested to the headmaster were that there is pride in earning things by one's own effort and that he must learn to lose also. Moving on to question number 2. What is meant by following the crowd? Why did the author not want his son to do that? Answer to this question is, following the crowd means to go along blindly with the majority opinion. The author does not wish his son to be a blind follower, but to apply his mind and his common sense to what he hears, filter it, and take only that which is good. Now it's the turn for question number 3. What did Abraham Lincoln mean when he referred to brain and brawn? Answer to this one is, brawn here refers to work done with one's intellect, and on the other hand, brawn here refers to the work done with one's body, and both are the ways of being gainfully employed. Let's now move on to the next one, and next is the turn of question number 4. Lincoln wrote that his son should never put a price tag on his heart and soul. What did he mean by that? Let's read answer to this question. One's intellect and physical powers can provide one with a livelihood, but Lincoln does not wish his son to be employed in such a way that his heart and soul, which are his conscience and his deepest feelings, are compromised. Employment is the price tag, and he does not want his son to sell his conscience or his deepest feeling. Let's now read out question number 5, which is the last question of A part. And question number 5 says, how did Abraham Lincoln praise his son in the letter? Answer to this one is, he is such a fine little fellow, my son. Abraham Lincoln says these words in the letter in the praise of his son. So these were the 5 question and answers of your A part, that is, answer the questions orally. Now is the turn of B part. Tick the correct answers. First one is, Abraham Lincoln desired the headmaster to teach his son that for every, option A, enemy there is a friend, option B, enemy he should have hatred, or option C, enemy he should hurt insults. So the correct option among these is option A, that is, Abraham Lincoln desired the headmaster to teach his son that for every enemy there is a friend. Now the second one, Abraham Lincoln asked the headmaster to treat his son, option A, with extra care and attention, option B, gently but not to coddle him, or option C, very strictly and show no kindness? So the correct option among these is option B, gently but not to coddle him. So Abraham Lincoln asked the headmaster to treat his son gently but not to coddle him. So these were the answers to your A and B part of chapter number 12. So just go through them once, learn them properly and keep attending your classes regularly. Till then, stay safe and have a good day.